Off-campus access. Step-by-step tutorial to access the USEK Library electronic resources from the comfort of your home. The USEK Library E-Resources, like e-books, e-journals, and databases are available for current students, faculty, and staff. If you are off-campus, accessing these resources requires an additional step. Always start with the library website. From here, you can start your search using the OneSearch tool or any other access point such as A to Z databases, or find a title within the search menu or the homepage search box. When you come across an item such as this article in OneSearch, select the online access URL labeled Full Text Online. When you are off campus, the access link will prompt you to authenticate with your USEK credentials, USEK ID and password for students, or username and password for faculty and staff. This authentication step will verify that you are affiliated to USEK. Please note that you will only need to authenticate once per browser session. Once verified, you will be able to access the electronic resource you requested. In most cases, you can do any of the following: read the HTML version, download the PDF, export citations into your citation manager, share the article with your friends. No configuration is required from your end. You can simply begin your research. Almost all electronic resources are available to USEK off-campus users. Due to licensing restrictions, some databases are only available on campus. This will be indicated in the description of the database. If you have any questions, feel free to chat with us or send us an email at reference@usek.edu.lb.